friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Luigi from Mario for beginners. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's come down and we're going to draw in the nose right in the center. So we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval. Now from here, let's draw in the eyes. So coming across on the left, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal, and then we'll do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height on the right. Let's pull this in now. So from the left-hand side, we're going to arch this all the way up, pulling that down on the left, and then leaving a gap on the right, just curving this all the way around, continuing to arch this down and through on the side, blending that together. Let's dip in now for the eye, and we're going to again curve this all the way around and back into the nose. Now in the center, let's replicate that again, arching this all the way around and down for that pupil. Now on the top, let's draw in a nice big oval for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in that pupil black. Let's come up for the eyebrows, the same width as the eye here, arching this up and over on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, let's connect them. So we're going to arch it further up, bringing it down at the point there. Let's come down for the mustache now. So leaving a gap from the eye, we're going to curve this out on both sides. And then now from this point, just arching this back around and in towards the center of the nose, joining that at a point right in the middle. Let's draw in the mouth. So coming over on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. Now for the teeth, we're going to curve this across to the right. Let's draw on the tongue. So we're going to arch this up and then back down on the right-hand side. Now let's draw on the chin. So coming underneath, we're just going to curve this back around and through, just replicating the shape of the mouth, just slightly wider. And then now we're going to curve the cheek up. So we're going to curve this around and through. We're not going to extend that past the mustache. We're going to end that at the same height though. Let's frame in the top of the hat. So right in the center here, let's curve this across. On the left-hand side, arching this down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from that point for the brim, we're just going to curve this back around and into the center, replicating that on the right, closing that off, blending that back in as best as we can. Let's draw on the strand of hair now. So on the left-hand side from that point, we're going to curve this down, connecting that together, pulling that in and then back up to the brim of the hat. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So from that point, curving this down, connecting that together, and then continuing to pull this out, in, and then back up, finishing that off. Let's draw on the ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. We'll line this up as best as we can at the same height on the right-hand side, finishing that off. Now from here for the details inside of the ear, just arching this line across. And then now as we come down, curving that back in one more time. Let's frame in the hat now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, pulling that in towards the top, flattening that out in the middle. We'll continue to bring this down. So we're going to curve this around, and then we're going to flatten this out on the side, pulling that in. Let's draw on the Luigi symbol in the middle. So we're basically just going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that from the top. Now in the middle, let's draw on the letter L. So we're going to draw on a straight line on the very bottom. We'll draw on a straight line on the left coming up. Now from here, we're going to leave a gap, pulling this down on the right. And then we're going to flatten this out again, ending that at the same width. So essentially just drawing in a big L and then a smaller L on the top. Now from here, let's connect that together. So a straight line on the side and then as well as on the top, making sure that connects together there. And that is it. That's how you draw Luigi for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.